More zipper problems than you think, and easy fixes for all of them. If your zipper gets stuck, comes off track, keeps sliding down, or just doesn't work smoothly anymore, don't rush to replace it. Today I'm sharing zipper fixes tailors don't usually tell you. These are quick, beginner-friendly tips that only take a few minutes and actually work. Alright, let's get started. This first zipper problem is very common, and it's really easy to fix. If your zipper slider is loose like this, just grab some pliers and gently squeeze it back into shape. Super easy. When a zipper is missing teeth like this, don't rush to replace it at a repair shop. I'll show you how to fix it yourself at home. First, move to the bottom end of the zipper. Using pliers, carefully remove zipper teeth from the end, following the correct direction. Remove them slowly. Since this zipper is missing 4 teeth, we'll take 2 teeth from each side of the zipper tape. Use a toothpick to gently open them up. This makes reattaching the teeth much easier. Then reinstall them one by one. Take your time to realign the teeth properly so they sit in the correct position. Next, gently heat the teeth to soften them slightly, then use pliers to press and secure them firmly in place. Because we removed teeth from the bottom of the zipper, we need to reinforce this area. Simply stitch across the end so the zipper won't slide off when you zip it up. Use thread that matches the zipper color. Tie off the thread securely, and hide the loose ends on the back. And that's it, you've just fixed a zipper that most people think can't be repaired. When a zipper slider comes off track and the zipper isn't too stiff, the repair is actually very easy and only takes 1 or 2 minutes. First, use needle nose pliers or a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the zipper slider open. Next, carefully guide the zipper teeth back into the slider. Once the teeth are back in place, use pliers to crimp the slider closed again. Then slowly zip it up and down, making small adjustments until it moves smoothly. And that's it, a quick, simple fix that really works. Sometimes, when a zipper slider falls off, you can pry it open, slide it back onto the zipper teeth, and crimp it closed again. But this zipper is too stiff to fix that way. So instead, I cut off one zipper tooth at the bottom using scissors. Then I slide the zipper slider back onto the zipper teeth and pull it up to make sure it works smoothly. Finally, I stitch across the bottom of the zipper so when you zip down, the slider won't come off again. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, please like and share this video. It really means a lot to me. This method works especially well on stiff metal zippers like this one. Up next, I'll show you a simple fix for pants zippers that keep sliding down, and save you from those awkward moments. Thank you for being here with me. And the final tip is how to make stiff, sticky zippers glide smoothly again. And that's it. A collection of easy zipper fixes you can do yourself at home. Not just one or two tricks, but several practical solutions for common zipper problems. I hope these tips save you time, money, and a trip to the tailor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY sewing tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.